Good evening, friends. In the last videos, sir, I covered very clearly up to LBP number 50. So 50 problems we solved successfully in the last videos. Sir, in today's session, let me start from 51. Okay, let us start from 51. Of course, these programs also related to strings concept only. But anyway, let me start our exploring of these programs one by one. Okay, so what is this 51st problem is nothing but it is relevant to the strings concept. So you can able to see on my screen 51. Sir, defanging an IP address, we have to do some alteration on IP address. So what is that alteration here is, sir, given a valid IP address, they have given a valid IP address and we have to return a defanged version of IP address. Sir, a defanged IP address is replaces every dot, every period with these symbols are okay. Every period is there, right? That we have to replace with this special symbol. So such type of replacement is nothing but our target output. Okay, that means what? So in a string, if you take any string, in that string wherever dot is there, you have to replace with this symbol. Okay, this is nothing but our requirement, sir. I think no need to explain any logic, directly we can go with implementation. So wherever you are getting dot, then you have to print this scenario. Okay, sir, is the logic is clear for you people? Please confirm. Is the logic is clear for you people? Please confirm. Yes. So let me go with the direct C language implementation. So here, so I don't want to go with in detail explanation. Just at the top level itself, I am going to solve the problem. Let us see how we can able to do this. So LBP number 51. Okay, sir, observe carefully. If you can see here, 1.1.1.1 is there. Sir, this dot is replaced with this symbol or not? Yes. So here also this dot is replaced with this symbol. Like this we have to replace, sir. Beyond that nothing is there. So the data is accepted in the form of a string. That's why, so character, yes, I am taking, which can store 100 characters max. Then to run the looping statement, I variable must be required. So scanf percentage yes comma yes, I am ready. Now what is our requirement? Sir, we have to take a for loop for I is equal to 0 colon s of I plus plus for every character. If s of I is double equal to dot, if you are getting any dot, okay, if you are getting any dot, then what we have to do, sir, you need to print, okay, you need to print this particular symbol. Okay, fine. If it is not a dot, then you have to print a corresponding character as it is on the screen. So whenever you are getting dot, then only this replacement is going to be happen. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. Even you can submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the test cases are satisfied. So this is nothing but C language implementation what we have. So let me go for Java implementation of this problem. So how you can able to implement in Java? Let me take Java. Sir, the beauty of Java is nothing but we have, okay, we have replace method is there. Using that replace method, you can able to replace system dot in I am taking, okay, system dot directly I am printing system dot out dot println obj dot next line I am reading a string dot replace of. So wherever dot is there, I want to replace with this empty square brackets followed by dots. That's all. Now let us see what will happen if you run the code. If you run the code, have you observed we are getting all these three test cases passed successfully and submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. This is nothing but how you can able to do replacement operation in Java. Now we have to go for Python implementation. So how to solve this problem in Python? Let us have a look once. So I am taking the programming language as a Python. S is equal to, I am reading input from the user. So print of S dot. Here also there is replace function is there. Wherever dot is there. Okay, wherever dot is there, you have to replace with open bracket dot closed bracket. That's all. Automatically replacement is going to be happened or not? Yes. So this is nothing but how easily we can solve this replacement problem. Okay, sir, hope the concept is very clear for you people. Please confirm, do you have any doubts in this challenge, friends? Yes, please confirm, do you have any doubts in this challenge? Very good, sir. Now, so what is my next requirement is nothing but LBP number 52. Okay, LBP number 52. So what is this problem? Jewels and stones. Some problem statement is somewhat tricky, but don't worry, I will give analysis. So you are given a strings jewels which represent the types of stones that are jewels, and the stones which are representing the stones you have. So each character in the stones is a type of stone you have, and you want to know, okay, so how many of stones that you have are also jewels. So don't read and get confused this. So just we have to find out how many stones are there in the given jewels. Okay, so letters case sensitive, small a is different from capital A. So how many stones are there in the given jewel that we have to find out. First we will see some sample test cases, sir. From that you will get some idea. So you can able to see here. Okay, sir, observe the test cases here. So small a capital A is there, and the target is nothing but small a capital A capital A, small b small b small b small b. Sir, how many times A is available? How many times A is available? So only one time. Plus how many times this jewel A is available? This stone A is available in the jewel. So two times it is available. So that is nothing but the result. Here you can able to see Z and capital Z are there. Okay. How many times small z is there? 0. So small a, how many times? One time. Plus capital A, how many times? One time. Plus small c, how many times? One times. 3 is the answer. Like we have to count. Okay, hope the concept is clear. Shall we go for implementation? Please confirm, friends. Shall we go for implementation? Please confirm. Very good. Let me go for C language code, sir. Yeah. See here, how many here, the first string, whatever they have given is nothing but stones. Sir, I have two stones are there, small a, capital A. Then, sir, they have given jewels also. Okay, they have given jewels also, jewelry they have given. So that jewelry is nothing but, so which is having capital A, small a, two capital A's followed by some other elements are there. So how many stones are there in these jewels? Each stone, how many times it is repeated? Total count you want. Small a, how many times repeated? One time. Capital A, how many times repeated? Two times. That number of stones present in these jewels. So not all stones. The stones which you have given, you need to count. Clear? Yes, very good. So let me take C language code. Sir, very simple code, sir, it is. Character, So you have to take jewelry as S1. Okay, jewelry as S1 of 100 characters, stones as S2. Okay, or stones as S1, jewels as S2. Like this I am taking. Okay, now first we have to read scanf. Correct, sum of occurrences. So scanf, so percentage yes followed by percentage yes. Let me take S1 comma S2. Sir, for we have to take integer variables. So ij count is equal to initially 0. Now I am taking for I is equal to 0, S1 of I plus plus. Every character I am going to take. Now what we have to do, you need to compare whether that character is there in S2 or not. So how to check that? If S1 of I is double equal to S2 of J, that means what? That character is available increment. So finally just we have to print the value of counter, sir. That's all. It will print how many times it is repeated. Perfect, it is working. Let me submit the code. That's all. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. So next I have to go for Java implementation. Let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Java. In Java also same approach we have to take, right? Let me take Java. So I am taking scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system dot in I am taking. Okay, so string S1 is equal to obj dot next line, comma S2 is equal to obj dot next line. Then integer ij count is equal to initially 0. For I is equal to 0, I less than s dot s1 dot length I plus plus. So for j is equal to 0, j less than s2 dot length j plus plus. So if s1 dot char at of I is double equal to s2 dot so char at of j. If it is your requirement, then count plus plus. That's all. So system dot out dot println of I am printing the value of C, counter value. So let me run the code. You can able to see all the test cases are passed and submit the code for final approval. Yes, remaining test cases also passed successfully. So this is nothing but Java implementation what we have. Let me go for Python implementation and let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. So S is equal to input I am taking first string, S2 is equal to input I am taking second string, count is equal to initially 0. For each character I in S1, sir observe carefully, count is equal to count plus. In S2, how many times that I is available? Because we have count function is there in string. So what will happen? It will select every character from S1 and it will apply count function taking that I as an argument. Sir, how many times that character is available in S2, it will check and it will return that value. So that I am adding to the final count. You have to print the value of C. Yes, all the test cases are passed. So this is nothing but how you can able to solve the problem. Friends, is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Oi, please respond. Don't sleep in the class, which is never recommended approach. Are you sleeping? Very good. Okay. Yeah. So let me go for the next problem. What we have here is LBP number 53. So what is this problem? Given a string S, given a string S and an integer array indexes of the same length. The string S will be shuffled. Sir, am I audible? Am I audible? Yes. So please wait for 2 minutes, sir. There is some power issue is there. So power gone. Please wait for 2 minutes. Yeah. Sir, am I audible? Please confirm. Am I audible? Yes. Sir, they have given a string S and an integer array indexes of the same length. The string S will be shuffled in such that the character at the ith position move to the indexes of I in the shuffled string. And we have to return that shuffled string. Sir, I will take first one example, then you people will get some idea, because in the last batch so much of confusion is there in this program. That's why just I am trying to change this. So S is equal to, consider they have given the value of S as any sample test case we will take for this, any sample test case we will take for this. Yes. So ABC, 1 minute. So this one we will take. So S is nothing but this one and array is nothing but this one. These two are the values which they have given. Observe carefully. In this case, sir, S of 0 is nothing but A. S of 1 is nothing but I. So S of 2 is nothing but O. S of 3 is nothing but sir H. S of 4 is nothing but N. Is it correct? AIOHN. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Now array also they have given. So A of 0 is equal to 3. A of 1 is equal to 1. So A of 2 is equal to 4. So A of 3 is equal to, sir, something like 2. So A of 4 is equal to 0. Like this, they have given some array also. Now, what is your requirement is nothing but, sir, you need to construct. Okay, you have to construct an array like this. So you have to construct with the same number of elements. So 0th location, so first location, second location, third location, and fourth location. So what are the location values? 0th location, 0th location, first location, so second location, okay, and you need to take here third location, fourth location, like that. Now, sir, the requirement is nothing but, so this is considered as a target string, so you have to shuffle the characters and you need to get the target string like this. So what is this target string is nothing but, target string of a of I, target string of so a of I, it should be equal to, sir, s of I. Okay, like this we have to frame. So this is nothing but the formula. How I got that formula? Given a string s under an integer array indexes of the same length. So now what is their requirement? The string, okay, the string s will be shuffled. The string s will be shuffled such that the character at ith position will move to the indexes of I. Indexes of I means what? The character at this position. Okay, the character at this position. Which position? For example, if you take 0th position A, so where it has to move in this 0th position, which element we have? Sir, third. In third location it has to move. That is the target. So TS, target string of 0 is nothing but A of 0. So first character if you take, so A of 0, what is the value of A of 0? 3. So 3 is nothing but its value. That means in third location you have to shift this particular character A. Please confirm. This one is a clear. This one is a clear. So they have given the indexes of these values, sir. So in that position you have to place corresponding character. Okay, yeah, don't worry, that's why I asked. One more character I will explain. See, so they have given a target string. In that target string, in which position you have to take corresponding characters are given. Okay, suppose if you take here, okay, if you take here, for example, consider the character I, where we have to keep the value of I, where we have to keep the value of I. Observe carefully. So here, this is the index position, right? This is the index position in the target string. Okay, so target string of so A of, so in which position we want to copy? In first location, that is when I is equal to 1, A of 1. That means what? In the target string A of I position, already they have given the array. What is the value of A of I? A of 1 is nothing but 1. That means in the target string 1 we have to copy the value of I. So I will become like this. Okay, next, and after that I am changing the color. Observe carefully. Now assume the value of I is equal to 3. So in the target string, sir, location is not given. Directly I we should not take. So A of I we have to take. So that means what? In the target string, A of 3 index they have given separately. Okay, A of 3 they have given separately. Sorry, we have to take 2, but anyway, okay. So what is that value, sir? A of 3. A of 3 means what? 2. So that means in the target string 2 we have to copy S of 3. Okay, so S of 3. S of 3 means what? H. H we have to copy to this one. So H will be copied here. Okay, next I am changing the color. Observe carefully. When I is equal to 2, in the target string, don't take the index. Already they have given the index values in a separate array. Then copy the string. Okay, A of 2 is what? 4. In fourth location we have to copy the second character. So what is the second character, sir? O. Like this it is going to move. Okay, next, I think last character, when I is equal to 4. So target string of A of 4. A of 4 means what? In 0th location So we have to copy S of 4. S of 4 is n that we have to copy to 0th location. So our output will become, sir, NIHAO. So they have given an array and then they have given a string. So in target string, these arrays are considered as indexes, and in corresponding positions you have to move this one. Sir, is it came or not? NIHAO. NIHAO. That's all. So hope it is very clear for you people. If you are not getting, please try to practice by taking paper and pen. At least something you got right. Please confirm. Yes. I request everyone to please post what is the formula that we constructed here. What is the formula? Based on which formula we have to copy the elements? Yes, please confirm. It is there on the screen. Please post that formula. Very good. So target string of A of I is equal to, so S of I. That's all. Let me solve this problem. Let me solve this problem. First, I will implement in C language. So I am taking, sorry, not TADA, C language I am taking. So what is the first step, sir? Integer. We have to take first character string, target string also I am taking here. Target string is equal to empty. Then integer I, array is also required. N is also required. N is equal to, sorry, first we have to read the string. Scanf percentage s comma yes I am taking. So n is nothing but array size, sir. Beyond that nothing. strlen of s. So for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So I am going to read those many values. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand e of I. Then for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So target string of A of I is equal to S of I. That's all. Now you have to print percentage s comma yes. Sorry, not yes, sir. Target string we have to print. Let me run the code. Sir, working for both test cases and submit the code. So this is nothing but what we have in C language. Let me take Java implementation. I want to solve this problem by using Java. So scanner obj is equal to new scanner of, I am taking system.in. Okay. What is our next requirement? So we have to take a string. String s is equal to obj dot next line I am taking. Okay, fine. Then integer I comma n is equal to s dot length. I am finding length of the string. Next, we have to create an array with these many values. Sorry, we have to take n is equal to. Okay, fine. Then we have to read array. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, a of I is equal to obj dot next line. Next int, because it is indexes based. So I am creating a character array b is equal to new character array of n elements. So instead of a string, directly I am copying the content to this target string, which is nothing but a b. Later I will construct a string by using this character array. In the string workshop I explained, right? Same scenario. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Sir, b of a of I is equal to s dot char at of I. That's all. Now system dot out dot println of new string of b. With the help of b character array, I am creating a new string. So what will happen? It will create the new string. Yes, both the test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. Yes, all the remaining test cases also passed successfully, sir. This is nothing but Java implementation. Now I need to go for Python implementation. Let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. S is equal to, I am taking input a is equal to int of I. For each I value in input dot split, based on space it will split and it will take the data. I am creating a list called b with 0 as the initial element. How many values we required? Length of L, length of S. Suppose if a string contains 10 characters, what will happen? It will create a list with 10 elements. Every element is associated with 0. Okay, it will create an array with 10 elements. Every element is associated with 0. Okay, then that's all. Almost it is completed. For I in range of 0 to length of S. So I am taking b of a of I is equal to S of I. That's all. Now b is nothing but list, but we need string as a output. So space empty character dot join of b. Every character it will take and it will join and it will return. Yes, both the test cases are passed. Even private test cases also passed. So this is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem. Okay, so hope maybe this problem understanding purpose it may be very difficult, but the solution is very simple, sir. You need to refer this video minimum 1 or 2 times, then only you will get the clarity. Please confirm, is it clear? Yeah, Python code is nothing. In which line you have a doubt? Please confirm. Sai, in which line you have doubt? I request everyone to respond. Is it clear up to this? Yes, I request everyone to respond. Clear up to this. Split means which is going to split your input, because in your application, if you see in your program, we have given input like this. This is the first number, second number, third number. Space separated values are there. So split, what it is going to do, based on space, it will split. This will become first token. This will become second token. This will become third token. Like this, it will create a list. Clear? Somewhere in the var of numbers I have given that. Okay, yeah. So the next problem what we have here is, so get word count. I think it is very easy program only. Just have a look once. So get word count. What is the problem statement here is, sir, we have to create a function or a method that takes a string and return the word count. Okay, the string will be a sentence. We have to print how many words are there. Sir, I think it is easy only. So how many words will be there? How many words will be there? Based on space we can find out, right? Based on space we can find out. I will go with implementation so that you will get clarity. Okay, and they are telling that the input may contain a sentence also. Sentence also means what? More than one word will be there. So scanf we have to change. Observe carefully how I am going to write implementation for this. So character s of 100 characters it may contain. Integer, so I count is equal to 0. So scanf So if you take percentage s comma s, I told in the beginning itself, whenever a space is encountered, it will stop reading the data. For that, within bracket, we have to take cap of slash m. If you are taking like this, what is the meaning? So while reading the data, if any space came, please ignore that space and start reading the data. Okay, if you are getting any space, please ignore the space and try to read the data. That is nothing but the meaning of this particular statement. Okay, so I got a string. Next, what we have to do? For I is equal to 0, until you are getting the characters I plus plus. So S of I means what? Sir, null character. Until getting the null characters, it's keep on reading the data. Until getting null characters, it's keep on reading the data. By mistake, sir, if S of I, if S of I, that character is equal to, sir, space, and S of I plus 1 is not equal to space, that means it is a space. So in a sentence, how we are going to get space? Whenever a space is considered, then next character should be there. If next character is not there after space, then what is the meaning? That is the last sentence, I mean last word. Then we have to increment count to plus plus. Sir, maybe we should not count from 0, because so first word should be started from 1. Now you have to print the value of counter. Immediately it is going to print that counter value. If you want, you can see. Yes, 3 test cases are there. All the 3 test cases got satisfied. Yes. So this is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem. Okay. But in Java, sir, we have so many predefined tools are there. Using that, we can able to solve, sir. How to solve? In the sense, have a look once. So first step, we have to declare a scanner class. Scanner obj is equal to, so I am taking new scanner of system.in. Okay, so string array s is equal to obj dot next line dot split. Based on space, I want to split the input. Observe carefully, sir. So whatever input you are giving, dot split based on space. Suppose if you are giving a sentence like this, what will happen? It will split based on space. It will become one string, second string, third string, fourth string. All these will be available in this yes. Sir, if you apply s dot length function, it should return the number of elements, right? That's all. There ends the matter. System dot out dot println of s dot length. Don't take brackets. Brackets will work only for string, not for arrays. Let me run the code. Yes, all the test cases are passed successfully, and submit the code for final approval. So remaining test cases also passed, sir. This is nothing but how you can implement in Java. Let me go for Python implementation. So how to solve this problem in Python? Let us see. Sir, very simple. Here also we can depend on split method. S is equal to, I am taking input. So list is equal to s dot split. By default, it will split based on space only. Now you can find length of list is nothing but your required result, right? That's all. So this is nothing but how you can able to implement the program. Okay. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yes. So that's all about today's session. Remaining tomorrow I will continue. If 2 spaces are there, then it won't count, sir. It will stop reading the data. Because so in Java and Python it will work, Sufyan. But in C language we have given a constraint that After first space, we should not encounter any space. Clear, Sufyan? Yes. Okay. Yeah, sir, I will update the running notes within few minutes. You can able to cross check. Thank you guys. You can leave the session now. Thank you.